Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
I look over the wall. I look over the wall. I walk over the bridge. I walk over the bridge. I hide behind the tree. I hide behind the tree. I wait behind the door. I wait behind the door. I sit under the tree. I sit under the tree. I hide under the table. I hide under the table. I drive through the tunnel. I drive through the tunnel. I walk through the park. I walk through the park. I walk across the street. I walk across the street. I run across the field. I run across the field. I sleep in the bed. I sleep in the bed. I work in the kitchen. I work in the kitchen. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. I sleep on the sofa. I stand near the door. I stand near the door. I sit near the window. I sit near the window. I walk to work. I walk to work. I go to school. I go to school. I smile at my friend. I smile at my friend. I shout at the dog. I shout at the dog. I hear music from outside. I hear music from outside. I take water from the fridge. I take water from the fridge. I stand beside the car. I stand beside the car. I stand between two cars. I stand between two cars. I walk between the trees. I walk between the trees. I put the book on the table. I put the book on the table. I keep my bag under the desk. I keep my bag under the desk. I sit beside my brother. I sit beside my brother. I walk along the road. I walk along the road. I run along the river. I run along the river. I jump into the pool. I jump into the pool. I go into the room. I go into the room. I come out of the house. I come out of the house. I take the keys out of my pocket. I take the keys out of my pocket. I place the cup beside the plate. I place the cup beside the plate. I stand in front of the mirror. I stand in front of the mirror. I park in front of the shop. I park in front of the shop. I sit behind my teacher. I sit behind my teacher. I walk past the bank. I walk past the bank. I drive past the hospital. I drive past the hospital. I live near the market. I live near the market. I study at home. I study at home. I work at the office. I work at the office. I arrive at the station. I arrive at the station. I arrive in Lahore. I arrive in Lahore. I travel to Karachi. I travel to Karachi. I come from Pakistan. I come from Pakistan. I listen to the teacher. I listen to the teacher. I talk to my mother. I talk to my mother. I talk with my friend. I talk with my friend. I write with a pen. I write with a pen. I cut the paper with scissors. I cut the paper with scissors. I go by bus. I go by bus. I travel by train. I travel by train. I sit by the window. I sit by the window. I wait for my friend. I wait for my friend. I look for my phone. I look for my phone. I ask for help. I ask for help. I pay for the food. I pay for the food. I think about my future. I think about my future. I dream about success. I dream about success. I care about my family. I care about my family. I speak about my school. I speak about my school. I am interested in English. I am interested in English. I believe in hard work. I believe in hard work. I sit in the classroom. I sit in the classroom. I put money in my wallet. I put money in my wallet. I put sugar in the tea. I put sugar in the tea. I write my name on the paper. I write my name on the paper. I put my phone on the bed. I put my phone on the bed. I hang the picture on the wall. I hang the picture on the wall. I walk around the garden. I walk around the garden. I drive around the city. I drive around the city. I sit among my friends. I sit among my friends. I walk toward the school. I walk toward the school. I run toward the gate. I run toward the gate. I move away from the fire. I move away from the fire. I stay away from trouble. I stay away from trouble. I walk up the stairs. I walk up the stairs. I walk down the stairs. I walk down the stairs. I climb up the hill. I climb up the hill. I come down the mountain. I come down the mountain. I sit next to my father. I sit next to my father. I stand next to the bus. I stand next to the bus. I keep the shoes outside the room. I stay inside the house. I stay inside the house. I walk outside the school. I walk outside the school. I put the chair against the wall. I put the chair against the wall. I lean against the door. I lean against the door. I go before lunch. I go before lunch. I sleep after dinner. I sleep after dinner. I study before the exam. I study before the exam. I play after school. I play after school. I wait until morning. I wait until morning. I work during the day. I work during the day. I sleep during the night. I sleep during the night. I go without my phone. I go without my phone. I drink tea without sugar. I drink tea without sugar. I learn English with fun. I learn English with fun.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.